Well, in a way, I thought he was the happiest man I'd ever met. And I can see why, because he obviously realized deep down what an amazing gift he'd given to humanity. And to produce, to discover, in fact, a compound which can sparkle the mystical experience in us. It's an amazing gift. And he was the most sparkly old man you can ever imagine, full of fun and slightly flirtatious charm. And in some amazing way, when he made it, because he was a very, very exact Swiss scientist, he somehow ingested it. And it brought on an experience which he recognized from his childhood mystical experiences. And that made him deeply interested in it. And so he decided to take it again, and to take the smallest known trip, as is cautious and sensible with any new substance, which was 250 micrograms. And of course, in LSD terms, which is stronger than, more potent than any other compound he'd ever come across, 250 micrograms is really quite a substantial dose. And so suddenly, when he was in the lab, he felt this dose coming upon him. And he thought, well, quickly, I should get home. And so that's when the rather shaky, speedy bicycle ride back home took place.